Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast. I just get home late on Thursday nights to shoot a video. Hey, just 2 or 3 things coming up. February 3rd, 4th, and 6th. 3 events let me tell you about real quick. The 3rd, we're in BMW Sarasota on Saturday the 3rd. Hey, come on up. I'm going to drive up and say hey to everybody, and can't wait to get back in the rhythm of Cars and Coffee there in Sarasota. And then on the 4th is our annual luncheon, our super getaway up in Sarasota at the Hyatt Regency. RSVPs are going through the 30th. After that, at 10 a.m. on the 30th, we cut it off. Can't get in after that. We will close the door on that RSVP, and that will be done. And then on the 6th, and we're almost at capacity, so you need to get that RSVP in if you're going to come to the luncheon. And then RSVP for the dinner on the 6th in Clearwater, St. Pete area. Jeff's hosting that one in a new location at the, I think we're gonna try out the Miller's Ale House. If you're a Miller's Ale House fan, and I am, and my family is, that'll be we're moving it to a different location, trying that out, and seeing what the rest of the town looks like. So Jeff's got some moves planned for us and some new locations, so that should be fun. Hey, speaking of RSVP finals, I think there are only four more slots left for the mountain drive for October of 2024. So if you're interested in going on the mountain drive, you got to get your name in. After that, you're going to go on a waiting list, and we'll see who cancels or not. So take care of that, get that done, and then we'll see you soon. So looking for the 3rd, the 4th, and the 6th. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See ya. Thanks.